Hey everyone, good to see you all again. Today, I will show the operation of the OFW products. Are you all ready? We all know that daily maintenance is crucial to ensure the speed and quality of fiber optic transmission. We can usually analyze the degradation of optical cables by detecting the trend of optical power and eliminate potential faults in advance. The tools we'll be using for our maintenance and cable organization today are our visual fault locator, optical fiber identifier, and optical power meter. Let's go. Looking inside this fiber distribution box, the fibers are a real mess. Many of the early fiber network routes aren't optimized. By combing some optical cable resources, we can use them more reasonably and effectively and improve the transmission quality of optical networks. First, use our fiber optic identifier and test one fiber at a time to see if there is light in it. If there is no light, you can unplug it to avoid taking up extra resources. Next, we'll use the visual fault locator to find the other end of patch cords for cable organization. Then, we'll use the optical power meter to check if the optical power meets the standard. We can see that the value is low, which may be caused by interface wear or unclean interface. Then use alcohol and a dust-free cotton swab to clean the interface. Reinsert the optical fiber and test again to see that the value is accurate. Okay, this video ends here. Please follow our channel and we will continue next time.